Day 35 of being a chef on a yacht. For breakfast, I cut up some passion fruit, grapefruit, and honeydew, made some avocado toast with salami, and made a big bowl of oatmeal with a whole bunch of toppings. The guests are leaving today to explore the island, so I made them some sandwiches and packed some snacks. For dessert tonight, I'm prepping white chocolate raspberry trifle, and then started on my dinner prep. I made tzatziki sauce, a Greek salad with tomato, cucumber, red onion, and feta. I dress it with red wine vinegar, olive oil, and salt and pepper, and a hefty amount of feta. Also making a nice big kale salad. Prep my potatoes for goat cheese mashed potatoes. Have my midday espresso break. I prepped a spinach and smoked Gouda frittata that I'm gonna cook off tomorrow morning. For cocktail hour, I made spanakopita, and then got started on my rack of lamb. Seasoned it up and threw it on the grill. Shaved Parmesan for my kale salad, and then started mashing up the potatoes. With lots of butter, cream, and a whole log of goat cheese. Cut up my lamb, and dinner served. Served dessert, cleaned up the galley, and then I made myself a plate. Bye, little chef.